Good morning, everyone. I am Amethysta Saga, and I am here to read my reflection about Ma'am Rivi Abilar's presentation during our webinar with the title of One of the Secrets to Success. In the webinar, Ma'am Rivi shared an inspiring message about how we can grow stronger and more successful by embracing failures. She explained that failure is not something to fear, but something that helps us learn and become better. By a lifelong learners, we can become wiser, kinder, and more faithful while gaining valuable skills along the way. One of the main points that Ma'am Rivi made is that failure is often misunderstood. Instead of seeing failure as the end, we should see it as the beginning of success. Failure can feel lonely and frustrating, but it in this moment that we can learn the most. She encouraged us to accept failure as a part of the process and to use it as an opportunity to grow. She also shared an example from the movie The Passion of the Christ, which shows the power of how to endure hardship. She reminded us that facing challenges is difficult, but it can help us find deeper meaning and strength. One important tip she gave was to approach failures with gratitude. By choosing gratitude over fear, anger, or frustration, we open ourselves to new possibilities and attract positive outcomes into our lives. In conclusion, the speaker's message was truly inspiring. Failure is a key part of success. By embracing our failures, learning from them, and staying grateful, we can move closer to our goals. The webinar left me with a renewed sense of motivation and deeper understanding of the importance of resilience, patience, and continuous learning on the road to success. That's all for my reflection, and thank you for listening to my insight on what Ma'am Rivi Abilardi shared.